Ralph, guess where you're going?
We're gonna bundle you up, my baby kitty.
Gotta bundle you up. Alright.
No biting. Let me calm him down for a second. No.
He's like, calm my ass.
Chill, McGows. Woosa, kitty. Woosa. Woosa. Let's get some purring going. Come on.
You purring yet? We're putting him in a snowsuit built for children.
I'm putting him in my snowsuit. Stay, McGows.
You putting his paws in the paw things? You'd just be better off just putting his butt in there and zipping it up. He's in a baby snowsuit. Hold him like a child.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
You ready to go play in the snow, my love child? Yeah. There you go, my gals. Oh, you trying to bite me?
Let's tuck him in. The proud mama.
Oh, baby. You got some kisses? You're gonna just keep trying to bite me. I'm hoping that he'll just give up after a while.
And he'll just give in.
Oh, wrong snap. My bad.
He looks comfortable, actually. Like, he looks like he's genuinely enjoying it. Is he struggling on the inside?
No.
He looks like he's genuinely enjoying it. Is his paw's actually in there?
It's in this one.
Oh my
I
god.
don't think it's in this one either.
Looks like you had a fucking ugly ass child.
This is my beautiful hairy baby.
His name is Ralph.
Sinvenyan, mama, Simba. Here we go. If you keep trying to bite me.
He looks so, like, comfortable.
He's not trying to bite me. Oh.
Oh, he's free. Kind of. He's got a paw free.
Give me daps, yo. Give me daps. Yeah. Give me daps. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, son. Yeah, yeah. Stop trying to be a menace and biting me. Just let me pet you.
He's like, get me out of the snowsuit then.
Yeah. How'd that make you feel, kitty? How'd that make you feel? What you looking at, McGows? What you see down there?
Give him a kissy.
I'm scared he's gonna bite my face.
Give him a kiss.
Oh. McGows, give me a real one. Oh, he's totally giving up now.
Aww.